The Farani Rollator walker model FRW-1000 boasts a sturdy triangular structure made from lightweight aluminum, providing stable support for seniors and easily folding for storage or transport. Equipped with 10-inch high-quality non-pneumatic tires, this walker ensures smooth mobility across various terrains without the worry of punctures or the need for inflation. Safety is a priority with the Farani Rollator, featuring a reliable dual braking system that offers modes for free movement, deceleration, and complete stop, enhancing user confidence. This rollator is designed with ergonomic dual-height adjustable handles and a seat that cater to users between 5 feet 8 inches and 6 feet 1 inch, ensuring comfort and proper posture. Ease of use is a hallmark of the Farani walker, with a straightforward assembly process and practical features like a cup holder and under-seat storage, making it ideal for both daily use and travel. The comfort of users is prioritized with a padded seat and backrest made of premium leather and high-density foam, providing continuous support and reducing pressure for a fatigue-free experience.